So this is the apparatus to test for an air leak. So it's just a pressure reducing valve and a gauge, and I'm got it disconnected on the engine, the air intake, so I'm pressurizing from that point. And then I've got plugs in the back of the car, which are those. They're just not welding, plumbing plugs. So they just fit in there and expand, and that plugs off the exhaust. So now I've already done this. I already know what the problem is. So I'm just gonna turn it on. So I'm pumping 15 psi into the engine, and you can hear, you see I've already got bubbles coming out there. So okay, I know that, and I know the shaft. That's not that big of a deal. But where the big deal is over here on the back cylinder. Right. Now you can't see at the moment. What I will do is, okay, where is it? There it is. So just a soapy water solution. And if I spray the soapy water right there, you can see I've got a leak on my intake manifold. So now my intake manifold's got to come off. But the good news is that over here, that is completely sealed up now. After all that work, the whole exhaust is good. So one thing down and one more thing to do.